what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we are going to be unbagging a period-proof panty. That's what we're going to be doing. We are going to get started. Thank you so much to LILOVA for sending me out this package for me to try out and to test it out. So if you want to know if these period-proof panties really work, then just go ahead and keep watching. Alright guys, so let's just go ahead and jump in and get started. Okay, so I actually got this little bag sent out to me like last month, but my Shark Week had already passed the previous month, so we're gonna test them out this month since it is a Shark Week. It's that time of the month, and I hate it because I am breaking out. If you guys can tell right here, I got this little guy is here. So annoying. Anyhow, we are gonna jump in and we're gonna be testing these out. I haven't opened it at all because I always like to give you guys my first impression. So we're gonna open them up together. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so in this paper here, okay, so they actually sent out a bikini style panty. So this one is called Amber Bikini. It's in the color black, and I got a size medium. So that's just the invoice. On this little card, it has all of their Instagram information, the Facebook information, and it has some information of how you're supposed to be washing this garment. So we will be going through that as well. I'll just set that aside. So here is what the actual little bag looks like. So it's gonna come in a little black bag, and we are just going to open it up. Let's see. All right. So like I said, this is in the style Amber Bikini. So, oh, wow, it's so cute. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I like that little detail. So it kind of looks like a little hipster more to me. And it has a cute little detail on the sides with the little X's. Now I do notice that right here, oh, it's really hard to see because it's black, but on the stitching from right here, the material is thicker. And I know that this has like some built-in technology where it works, it's magic. It has like 4 layers of different materials and cloths that help it make it period proof. So we're actually gonna be trying it out. This is what the inside of the lining looks like. And of course, like you'll take this hygiene liner off. All right, so I'm kind of, okay, so it feels, all right, here we go. So this thicker material goes all the way back. So from the front all the way to the very back of it, it has like a thicker layer. So it has those 4 layers in here that makes it period proof. If you guys can see it, I hope that you guys can see it, because on these sides right here where the stitching is at, from here on out, it's like stretchy and it feels like lycra. I'm not sure how you say it in English, but anyhow, it's like stretchy. So like I could feel it. I could feel it. It's definitely different than any other panty I have. So we are gonna go ahead and jump in. I'm just gonna kind of read through some of the information that I have. So this Amber Bikini period proof panty, it holds up to 2 tampons worth. It can be used alone or in heavy days or overnight as a backup, or if you have a heavy flow, you can also use it. If you have a heavy flow, just make sure that you do know your flow. Like with me, mine's kind of medium. My first day is very light. My second day is my heavy flow, and I hate my second day. I'm like super Bloody Mary, but my second day is my worst, so that one would be my heavy day flow day for me. It gives you a bikini style with full coverage fit, and it runs true to size. So we'll see if this runs true to size. I wear a medium with all my other Tonys, so hopefully it does fit. It runs true to size, and it is made with 4 unique layers of protection that goes all the way from the back. So you feel number 1, so you're gonna feel dry. Number 2, you're gonna feel fresh. Number 3, you're gonna feel secure. And number 4, you will feel free. So it's not gross. Yes, it's hygienic. Yes, it really works. Okay, so actually actually, it's pretty good because you are also, it's environmentally friendly. You're creating less waste, so you do not have to wear a tampon or a pad or anything, because these are supposed to be period proof, because it has those 4 extra layers of protection to help you out with all of the other stuff. All right, guys, so I'm actually gonna test these out. I'm kind of excited, but I'm kind of nervous. I just hope that I do not have any accidents or any leaks or anything like that. Usually I am a pad type of girl. I do not wear tampons. I do not like tampons. I don't like the discomfort of them like going up. I only like the real thing going up. I don't like anything else going up my vajayjay other than the real thing. So I personally wear pads. I do not wear tampons. So we're gonna try these out. I'm kind of skeptical to see how they work out, but I'm gonna try them out. I think the style of them are super cute and the quality feels really, really good. So yes, I will also be leaving all of their information down below on my description bar if you guys want to go test them out or check them out, whatever, go show them some love and support. I will be leaving all of their information down below. So yes, I'm gonna go about my day. I'm gonna wear my period proof panties and we'll see how it goes. I will come back with a recap and let you guys know if it worked or not. I'm really not sure what to expect. I really do hope that they work. But yeah. All right, also on here on the little card, it does say thank you and it tells you how to wash it. Okay, so pretty much you are going to rinse these. So obviously it's gonna have all your discharge in there. You're gonna have to rinse these. You're gonna have to hand wash them. You want to rinse them with cold water until the water is clear. You also do want to wash these as soon as you're done using them. They are black, so hopefully the stain won't show. I know, like with myself, it's happened to me when I've had accidents and I'm wearing a different color of chonies. And the stain will stay there. So these are black. That's why I know they have different colors, but I went with the black because of that purpose. So you're gonna hand wash them. Once you're done rinsing them under the cool water and it's clean, then you can go ahead and machine wash it. You wanna wash it in a cold cycle and you wanna wash it separately away from any of your other clothes. And then you also do want to hang dry them. You do not want to put them in the dryer. You want to hang dry them. Okay, I think I'm done rambling. I think I pretty much hit all the basics. So I'm just gonna go about wearing them and then I'll come back with my thoughts to see if they really worked or not. Okay guys, so I am back after a very long day of work, you guys. I've been wearing these underwears for what, like 12 hours now? I would have to say that they feel pretty comfortable. I didn't have any accidents. They are leak proof for myself. I didn't have any accidents at all. And I also wanted to share with you guys the technology because I was reading more into it. And I actually found the technology that it has built in them. So it has 4 layers, like I said. So the first layer has the moisture layer. That's gonna help with like that moisture so you don't get that moisture feeling. The second layer has the antimicrobial layer into it. And then the third one, it's the super absorbent layer where it absorbs everything. And then the fourth layer is the leak resistant layer that's at the very bottom. So this is the technology that is built into them, if you guys can see. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. It has those 4 layers built in. That's what makes this panty period proof. So I actually highly recommend it. It actually worked out and it feels comfortable. It feels like any other panty, but without having to worry about any type of leak or anything like that. Another thing that I did want to mention was that these period proof panties are actually really, really good for those girls or those mommies that just had a baby and you are in your postpartum days. These panties are so good for that. You don't have to wear that big long pad that they give you at the hospital after giving birth to your child. These will cover and like they'll make you like feel sexy too because they're really cute. They're just like any other panty. The designs are super cute and they have a variety of different styles that you can choose from. They have whatever you are looking for. And actually right now at the moment, they do have a sale for the International Women's Day. So if you buy 3 panties, you get 3 of them for free. And they also do have different promotions. If you sign up with your email, you get like an extra 15% off. Like they have different promotions going on. And if you decide that the panties are not for you for whatever reason, they have a risk-free trial. You could return them within 30 days. You get your money back. So their return policy is really, really good. Also, I was looking on here and they do have different styles. So they have like the hipster one. They have the bikini one. That I have is this one. They have a hip hugger. They have high-rise chonies, like whatever you like, they have. And they have this built-in technology into them. So that way you could bleed in peace and in a more environmentally friendly way where we're not creating waste. That's all I have to say, guys. I highly recommend them. I actually really like them. I look forward to using them, and I will be ordering some more for myself because I don't just want to have one pair. I want to have several pairs for backup, so when it's Shark Week, like I have my period chonies like aside, you know. So it's actually a really good idea. I highly recommend them for you guys to go check them out. I will be putting all their information down below at the description bar. And that's all I have to say. I hope that you guys like this video. If so, please make sure to give me some big thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe. What are your thoughts about these panties? What do you guys think? Have you guys ever tried any period-proof panties? What are your thoughts? So leave me a comment down below, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you guys on another one. Bye-bye.